Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making Palak Paneer Parata. Very delicious. So you're going to start off by having some palak leaves in hot water, washing them very nicely. Make sure to dry them well. Then you're going to pour them into a blender and turn it into green paste. Don't worry, not the gooey stuff we're always forced down. This stuff is actually pretty good and you do not have to eat it plain. So you're going to have 2 cups of flour and you're going to add your green paste into that. Once again, not for you. You're going to add some salt and 2 spoons of curd and you're going to mix it together really nicely. So make sure to also add a little bit of water from time to time just so it mixes well really nicely into some dough. Yeah, and then once it's done, you're going to add a little bit of oil over it and just let it sit there for a while. So, yeah, just let it sit there. And now the most favorite and satisfying part, grating the paneer. I don't know why, but I really like paneer. Not plain, of course, never, but it tastes really good with spice. You should try it. So we're going to add some spice, obviously, chili powder, salt, coriander powder, jeera powder, and some dry mango masala. We're also going to add some chopped up palak leaves together. Yeah, just mixing that well really nicely until it looks something like this. Kind of looks like rice in a weird way. Now we're going to take a small dough of our satisfactory clay-like dough and roll it out nicely. So not too thin, covering it up in dough and then rolling it out just okay-ish. You're going to add some of our paneer stuffing in it and then you're going to fold it up like a present, like you do at Christmas presents. So pretty at that time. Anyways, you're going to nicely cover it up, add some more of that precious flour, and you're going to roll it out once again. And this time you can make it thinner because this time we're actually going to be eating this stuff instead of adding more stuffing, although I wonder if that would make it better. We didn't have enough stuffing to try, but I would like to see that. So you're going to roll it out nicely and then you're going to put it on that pan, just slap it on there and let it cook like you cook a normal paratha. So add some oil, let it puff up. Love that. It is so satisfactory when it puffs up. It's just nice, nice to see a big puffy bubble of food. Adding oil to both sides and flipping them over. You see that brown things? Those little brown parts? Yeah, that's the roasted parts. They're good. So you're going to keep going and going and going until you have a mega stack of these, like so. Super delicious, and make sure they turn into this dark greeny color, like the woodland. Super delicious, super healthy, and super yummy. Your kids would love these in their lunchbox. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye!